Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Justice Indra Prasanna Mukerji mentakasngi kalai tarik urisau arjar arpusau ulabam Smai kumu Chief Justice jong ka Meghalaya High Court. Ka High Court jong ka jela kalayo u Chief Justice uba Thymmai hadian ba u Chief Justice uba Rim US Vadyanathan ula syong thadno. Ya kani ka jelang penbam Smai la penlong Haraj Pawan Dorbar Hall bat ulat ka jela u CH Vijaya Shankar ula long unong penbam Smai. U Justice Mukerji uday ubawa nakalong yang kebapaw nam hakaan lakhaya u haka khandu tarik unay luar syajar khanay spa handu pulay. Ularong kumuna yang saan haka tarik nay tung syajar khanay spa khanay po bat ula pentibet hakal kata High Court haswa ba unsya kantiyo kumunang ya saan haka khat pra tarik jemang arajar khanday.
Announce that the swearing-in ceremony has begun. With the permission of the Honorable Governor, the warrant of appointment of Honorable Sri Indra Prasanna Mukerji as the Chief Justice of the High Court of Meghalaya will now be read. Power vested in me by Clause 1 of Article 217 of the Constitution of India, I, Draupadi Murmu, President of India, do hereby appoint Sri Justice Indra Prasanna Mukerji, Judge of the Calcutta High Court, to be the Chief Justice of Meghalaya High Court with effect from the date he assumed charge of his office. Given at Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi, this 21st day of September in the year 2024, in the 75th year of the Republic of India. May I request the Honorable, the Governor to administer the oath of office to Honorable Master Justice Indra Prasanna Mukerji, Chief Justice designate as the Chief Justice of the High Court of Meghalaya.
Indra Prasanna Mukerji, having been appointed as Chief Justice of the High Court of Meghalaya, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will, and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
May I now request